Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Val. It's Val here, and today we have Ipsy Wednesday. So, this is actually going to be my last Ipsy unbagging slash unboxing on my channel for a good while. I will still be receiving Ipsy as a subscription. I just won't be posting it every month, or I'm gonna give it a little break. I just feel like it's not one of my top videos right now, and I want to deliver you content that you might enjoy more, so I'm going to be taking a break with Ipsy. For those of you who are new to my channel, go ahead and give it a subscribe down below, and you can see some more of my videos that I have to offer you, and also like this video before we get into it. Let's get into the video. Okay, so I'll be honest, I've already seen the bag as a spoiler on the website, and when I first saw it, it reminded me of watermelon because it's pink and green, and that's just a little, side story. Anyways, so this is Ipsy August 2023. This is the bag. It's shapes. It is like pink squares, pink triangles, green triangles, green. It just shapes. It's kind of like very geometrical for this month. And the texture, it's actually kind of like a canvasy texture in my opinion. It's a different texture than I was thinking. And it kind of smells good, so I don't know if there's something in here that smells good or if the bag is scented. But yeah, and then there's just a little Ipsy tag right here and on the left side. And then the zipper charm isn't really a charm, but it's like a green tassel. So let's go ahead and open it. Ready? Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and open it and look at the information card. So the information card for this month says, this August, let's return to the wild. So the theme for this month is return to the wild. It says restorative skincare, earthy colors, mindful practices. Whether you're hatching new goals, refocusing at work or school, or getting back into the swing of things, it's time to root yourself in a new uplifting routine that will have everyone calling you mother. Nature, that is. It says, that's pretty much what it says. Okay, so in this bag there are 5 products that are valued up to $70. However, they're all minis, so I don't think the minis are really valued at $70, but maybe they are. I don't know. Okay, so we're going to start with what we pull out first. The first item that we pull out is from Ciate, London. It is the Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint in the shade Papaya. So that is the first product, and the next product that we pull out is, ooh, it's a body souffle. Maybe this is what smells good. This is what smells good. It's a body souffle. It's Mitchell and Peach English Growers Flora #1 body souffle, and it's got a really strong smell. Hold on. Yep, it's got a really strong, like, florally smell. That smells, it's strong. It is a strong scent. So like I said, it's the Mitchell and Peach English Growers Flora #1 body souffle. And it says, this light and easily absorbed moisturizer contains vitamin E, shea butter, and honey to nourish, soften, and protect the skin. I love products with honey in it. The next product is the Half Caked. It's like a liquid lipstick. And it's in the shade Supreme. Okay. And then our next product is Dew of the Gods. And I feel like we've got another product of Dew of the Gods not too long but it's the Dewy of the Gods Ultratonic Watermelon Extract Facial Toner, which I need toner, so that's a good product to have because I ran out of my toner and now I have more toner. And the last product in here before we read through the information card is the Saturday Skin Avocado Date Seed Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream. Okay, I'm excited to use this in part of my morning skincare routine. Now, let's go ahead and read about the products. So the first product that is on here is the Dewy of the Gods Ultratonic Watermelon Extract Toner. Just this one right here. And it says, the star of the show in this toner is watermelon, also known as the giver of glowy skin. Blended with hyaluronic acid, citrus extracts, and grape extracts, this toner helps to gently remove dead skin cells and soften and tone your skin to perfection. The tip is to splash a palmful of the toner into your hands and gently press into your face and neck. So the MSRP of the full size is $32. The next product that it talks about is the Ciate London Dewy Blush Glossy Cheek Tint in Papaya. And it's right here. This next generation gel bomb blush is here to give you that coveted glass-like sheen with a touch of peachy pink color. Infused with the fruity scents of yuzu and dragon fruit, this lightweight blush will instantly brighten and refresh your complexion. I wonder if this one is what smells, but I'm not sure. Okay, and the MSRP of this product for the full size is $22. The next product is a half-caked lip fondant liquid lipstick in Supreme. Just this one right here. And it says, this isn't your mom's traditional bullet lipstick. It's hydrating but dries down quickly to an opaque matte finish that won't budge or feather. Plus, the muted raspberry shade is an essential to any makeup bag. Oh, and did we mention it's ever so slightly cake scented? I love cake. The MSRP of the full-size version of the product is $12, which is actually really affordable. So I'm excited to try this out. And then it says Saturday Skin Wide Awake Brightening Eye Cream is the next product. It says, packed with antioxidant-rich date seed extract, nourishing avocado protein extract, and hydration superhero hyaluronic acid, this eye cream is a triple threat. It'll give your under eye area a burst of vitality, boost hydration, and leave your skin looking supple and radiant. This is $46 for the full size, which in my opinion is a little bit pricey for an eye cream. At least that's in my opinion, because an eye cream you kind of just use it like over here, but maybe I'll like it, who knows. Okay, the last product is the Michelin Peach Flora No. 1 Body Souffle, and it says about this one, this lightweight moisturizer is like a drink of water for your skin, but even better. That's because it's also packed with vitamin E, shea butter, and honey to help nourish, soften, and protect your skin. Plus, you'll smell like a garden thanks to the notes of rose, lavender, and violet. The full-size version of this product goes for $40. And that's all 5 products that I got in August 2023. We'll see what we get in September, and maybe I'll do some add-ons, but I don't know if I'll record it. I might, you know, I say that I might not do things, but then I end up doing them, so who knows, maybe I will actually have an Ipsy for next month. I haven't completely 100% decided, but most part of me like thinks that I should hold off on Ipsy on YouTube. Anyways, those are all the products that I got in my Ipsy August 2023. If you're interested in Ipsy, I'll have a link down below to their website, and you can subscribe there. I believe it's like $13 a month for 5 products, and then you can get add-ons, which, you know, is self-explanatory. Add-ons start from like $3 to maybe like $50, or from $3 to $50, just depends on what you get. It can either be sample size, it can actually be like hair tools, or, you know, that's just what Ipsy is. So like I said, if you're interested in Ipsy, I'll leave their website down below and you can go there, and I'll leave all the products if you're interested in any of the products that I received this month. I'll have all the products listed down below too, as well as the links to those products and the full-size prices. Anyways, go ahead and like this video, subscribe down below, and I'll see all of you next time. Bye everyone!